Hey, scooter fans, ever had that sinking feeling when your trusty ride starts acting up? You know, when it's running, but sounds well, sick, light, sputtering, heavy, that classic carbon monohydrate CHPFFFT sound. Yeah, I've been there. And today, we're diving headfirst into the mystery of those spiders. Sound of scooter sputtering. Yep, that's the sound. Hear it? The scooter is running. But something's definitely not right. It's like it's gasping for air, or just struggling. This isn't the smooth, zippy ride we all love. It's a bit embarrassing, truth be told. But hey, it happens. And the good news is, often, the fix is simpler than you think. Let's head back to the garage and figure this out. Transition to garage scene. Alright, we're back in the workshop, and time to play detective. The first suspect in our misfire mystery? The spark plug. This little guy is crucial for the whole operation. It's responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture in your engine. And if it's not doing its job, well, you get that sputtering, sick sound. Let's take a look. First, we need to locate the spark plug. It's usually pretty easy to find, often tucked away under a cover near the engine. Remember to be safe. Let the engine cool down completely before you start working on it. Hands-on work. Removing the spark plug. Okay, here we go. Shows the spark plug to the camera. Whoa, take a look at this. See that black, sooty tip? That's not a good sign. That's a fouled spark plug, and it's very likely the whole problem. This means it's not firing properly, and that unburnt fuel is causing the misfire. This is a common issue, and the good news is, it's usually a pretty easy fix. Shows the fouled spark plug up close. So, what do? Well, there are a couple of options. Sometimes, you can clean the spark plug. A wire brush can help remove the deposits. But honestly, for the price of a new one, it's often best to just replace it. A new spark plug will ensure your engine is firing on all cylinders, giving you the best performance and fuel efficiency. I'd recommend replacing. Shows cleaning the spark plug or, better, installing a new one. Cleaning it involves, first, removing any excess deposits. This could be done with a dedicated spark plug cleaner or with a brush. Make sure you get rid of any grime. But for best results, let's just go with a new spark plug. You'll just need to choose the correct spark plug for your specific scooter model. Check your owner's manual for the right part. Simply unscrew the old one and replace it with the new spark plug. Make sure you don't over-tighten the spark plug when installing it. Just tighten it enough to seal it properly. Then, put everything back together, and let's see if we fixed it. Sound of the scooter starting and running smoothly. Riding the scooter. Yes, that's the sound of success. No more sputtering. No more hesitating, just smooth, sweet scooter action. So, there you have it, folks. The misfire mystery solved. Often, a fouled spark plug is the culprit, and cleaning or replacing it is all it takes to get you back on the road. Until next time, keep those scooters running smooth and safe.